Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Rizky Pratama. I'm student in SAKTI University, Bekasi, at English Education Department 4th semester. Today, I would like to tell to you about curriculum and material component of curriculum assessment and testing. Component of curriculum assessment and testing. Barbara L. Walford defined assessment as the systematic collection of information about student learning using the time, knowledge, expertise, and resource available in order to inform decision about how to improve learning. Educational assessment in the process of documenting, usually in measurable terms, knowledge, skill, attitudes, and beliefs. It is a tool or method of obtaining information from tests or other sources about the achievement or abilities of individuals, often used interchangeably with tests. A test is an instrument used to measure a sampling of an individual's performance as a reflection of his or her ability of particular domain. In short, test is an instrument or systematic procedure for measuring a sample of behavior. It usually refers to a specific set of questions or tasks that is administered to an individual or to all members of a group and measure a sample of behavior. A. Making decision in testing. 1. Proficient decision. Proficient decision apply to compare the effectiveness of different language programs. Science proficient tests by definition are general in nature rather than geared to any particular program. They can be used to compare regional brands of particular language program. In short, proficient decision involve tests that general in nature. 2. Placement decision. Placement decision should be based on instruments with specific program in mind, or at least seriously examine for their appropriateness to specific program. The tests upon which placement decisions are should either be specifically designed for a given program or at least carefully examined and selected to reflect the goal and ability level in the program. 3. Diagnosis decisions are focused on the strengths and weakness of each individual vis-a-vis to instrument objective for the purpose of correcting deficiencies before it is too late. Hence, the diagnosis decisions are at fostering achievement by promoting strengths and eliminating weakness. 4. Achievement decisions are central to any language curriculum. We are in the business of fostering achievement in the form of language learning. In other words, we can say that achievement test is a standardized test for measuring the skill or knowledge attained by an individual in one or more fields of work or study. B. Matching test to purpose. Language teaching professionals make proficiency, placement, achievement, and diagnostic decisions about their students all the time. To help in developing sound tests for making important decisions, it will begin by explaining a clear-cut distinction between two major families of tests. It is known that the result of language tests can be interpreted in two different ways, depending on the frame of reference adopted when test scores are interpreted. C. Test design. Regardless on what facts of language are being tested, an INRT is likely to be relatively long and to be made up of a wide variety of different item types. An INRT usually consists of a few subjects on rather general language skill. For example, reading and listening comprehension, grammar, writing, and the like. These subjects will tend to be relatively long, 30 until 50 items, and cover a wide variety of different test items. D. Students' knowledge of the question because of general nature of what INRTIs are testing an usual wide variety of items. Students rarely know in any details what type of item to expect. The student might know what item formats they will encounter, for example, multiple choice, grammar item, but seldom will they be able to predict actual language point. On CRTIs, students should probably know what language point will be tested as well as what item types to expect. That's a little about assessment and testing. Okay, thank you for watching. Sorry for my mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.